What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this week's video, I'm going to show how you can take these from being eyesores and make them disappear. So the first thing we need to do in order to make these utility box covers is mill everything down to size. So we're going to do that. We have all of our dimensions cut for these boxes. We are going to make the sides of said boxes. Everything cut for each of our squares. Now we are going to cut all the wood for the siding, and we're going to have it spaced out about every single inch and make it look real nice. Ain't that right, Thomas?
Yes, sir.
Right, so we have one side completed now. Now we're gonna repeat this step another 3 times. So you'll see us when we're done. One side, 2 sides. Now we are working on the actual top, and we're gonna follow the same pattern. Again, 5 boards on the top to be the casing. And then the last thing we're gonna do is close off the back here. Or this will be the back. We're not sure yet, are we, Thomas?
So side looks the best.
Exactly. So now that we have this mapped out, we're simply just gonna nail gun this in place, and then we'll get started on the last back. So we got the top secured in there really quick. The last thing we're gonna do is cut the back and secure that in too. And then we'll be on to the second box, which is still right there, all lonely. It's okay, you'll be done soon too. So we got all of our back pieces cut. We have them lined up, and we just obviously turn the box over to lay it down. So we're just gonna get these bad boys nice and secured in place, and then we'll have one crate done. Box 1 is officially done. Have all 3 sides done, the top done, and we're leaving this open so that it can slide on and off the utility box super easily. I'm happy with how this one turned out, so we're gonna get started on the second one and try to get this all done. So just like last box, once I finished the sides, I set the gap to be the distance that the client provided, which is 1.8 feet. I have now taken the measurement for the top distance. So what I'm gonna do is cut 5 boards again for this, from outer edge to outer edge, take that measurement, cut the 5 pieces, get the top mapped out, and then we'll finish this box up too with some, the backing. Just like that, we have both crates done and stained. I'm not going to be staining the insides of the crates because it's only the outside that's going to be seen. And then the next step that we are going to do is put some polyurethane on it. Now this is an oil-based polyurethane that's meant for exterior pieces. So I'm going to use that on these. I use this on a project I did for my aunt's house. And I really liked how it worked and how it looked after it was done. And yeah. So we're gonna do that again for these, and then this will be a wrap. All right, so we have everything loaded up. We got these covers sprayed, loaded. Now It's time to get to the client's house and drop these off. And just like that, boom, the covers are on. You can no longer see the utility boxes. And this project is officially wrapped. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like the video, leave a comment down below. What did you think? What could be done better? Any suggestions, I welcome them. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless. All right, so I know I ended the video in the last clip, but I just got these safety glasses that John Malecki wears in all of his videos, and I felt like I had to document it before I actually use them in my next project. So now this is the real end of the video. Thank you guys again for watching. God bless.